Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert PDF to Word from your mobile phone. Let me show you the easy step to convert your PDF file into Word from your mobile phone. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my mobile I just open a file and I have the PDF files. So this is my PDF file. So I just opened the PDF file. So I would like to convert this file into Word document, that is editable documents from my mobile phone. What I have to do? Yes, from your mobile just open Chrome browser and search PDF to Word. Once you search PDF to Word, the small pdf.com will be open here. So just click the link. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the small pdf.com. So you can PDF to Word converter. You can able to use as a convert as a PDF as a editable Word file. So here there will be a choose files. So just click here. So from device or from small PDF or drop or from Google Drive, you can choose wherever you want. Where is your file is there. So I have downloaded the file. My file's there in my devices. Just choose from device and choose the file. So once you choose the file, just go to your proper way where you downloaded. So I have downloaded my files into my download folder. So you can choose here from your right hand side. Mobile has images, video, audio, documents and downloads. Just choose the download, or you have the drive, means drive will be available over here. Just choose the download and choose the file over here. So once you choose the file, automatically that file will be uploaded over here. So file sample 150 KB will be there. So I want to convert to Word. Just choose convert to Word. So once you select the convert to Word, just to scroll down, you will get option and just click this choose options. So automatically your file will be converting from PDF to Word. So within a second my PDF file is converted into Word. So I can download the file. So automatically my file, that is my Word, will be downloaded over here. So as you see here, so I can able to download and I just open the file. It will automatically open with my Word document. So I can able to edit entire file with a map and all kind of details will be available, so that it is easy to access whatever PDF file in your system or in your office file. You can easily convert from the small pdf.com from your mobile phone, and you can able to edit that file with your Word application from your mobile phone. This video will useful for your conversion from PDF to Word to use your office and college and school purpose. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.